In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Butter by BTS. Here's the demo of what that song sounds like. Ooh, sidestep right left to my beat. High like the moon, rock with me, baby. Know that I got that heat. Let me show you, cause talk is cheap. Sidestep right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll. Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, then let's dive right into this tutorial. By the way, you're invited to be a part of my ukulele community on Patreon. It's called the U Crew, and there you'll have access to chord charts, exclusive tutorials, and other opportunities to strum along with other uke players around the world. So don't wait. Click the link in my description box below and be a part of the U Crew today. And finally, I want to thank my friends at Kumu Ukulele for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to play this beautiful concert-sized Hawaiian koa model. It's got a pickup so you can plug in and play. It's got knobs so you can have volume control and experiment with different effects like delay, reverb, and chorus. And it's got a wonderful finish. I mean, look at this tux finish. It feels great, it plays great, and sounds great. And this is the type of ukulele that you want to have at all times. So if you want to get your hands on this model, then check out the link in my description box below. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play Butter. And those chords are G major, C major, D major, and E minor. Now, if you already know those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is D major. To play that, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. And the last chord for the song is E minor. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, tap. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the G major chord. 1, 2, G major, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 Now we're going to learn the chord progressions for this song, and we're going to break it up into 2 sections. The first section is going to be for the verses, and then the second section is going to be for the pre-choruses, the choruses, the bridge, and the outro. So the first section, which again is just for the verses, we're going to be playing G major for 8 turns of the string pattern. Now, we already practiced that in the strumming pattern exercise, so let's move on to section 2, which again is just for the pre-choruses, the choruses, the bridge, and the outro, and we're going to be playing C major for 1 turn of the string pattern, D major for the first half of the string pattern, and then E minor for the second half of the string pattern. Let's put those elements all together now. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 And now let's play the chord progression and the strumming pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 Now that we know the chords, the chord progressions, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Butter. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Gon' pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Cool shade stunner, yeah, I owe it all to my mother. Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making you sweat like that. Oh, when I look in the mirror, I'll melt your heart into two. I got the superstar glow, so sidestep right left to my beat. High like the moon, rock with me, baby. Know that I got that heat. Let me show you, cause talk is cheap. Sidestep right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Butter. And that's You Play Butter by BTS. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a shout out to my friend Chance Wagonfield for supporting me on Patreon and for allowing me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.